What's the word, my nigga? That nigga from the there, homies. Nah, shit, nigga don't got that blitz on. I ain't too foolish from the air, there, homie.
Hey, y'all go follow me on my next up and coming 2K clan, man. Y'all already know. Get off this goofy ass jet live and go follow me, man. You already know.
What's up, my boy? What's wrong, Mario? You look upset, dude. What's up? What's up, man? You big, I'm big. What's up, my boy? You got everything you wanted, Mario? Like, what's up, my boy? You still look bored, like you're not satisfied. Hmm? You not satisfied, my nigga? You the shit, nigga. You were like, what year was this? You and me used to I used to talk to you about this shit. We both used to. What year was it? I think it was 2019 or was it 18? It was like 17 and 18. You and me. I used to talk to you about this shit. I told you one of us was gonna break through. Did I not tell you that? I did, and I knew it was gonna be you. You got the money, you got the cars, you got the hoes, you got the clothes, you got the chains, you got the yeah. I'm sure you got a fucking Ferrari. I'm sure you got that already. What? You got that already, nigga. You got everything you wanted, nigga. I've been moving at my own pace, and I'm not doing the race. You got everything you wanted, bro. What more do like you're gonna hit 1 million followers pretty soon. You making new raps. You got a crew, you got guns, you got money. Shit, down in LA, everybody got drugs. I ain't gonna lie about that. Everybody got drugs down here. You got all the weed you can smoke. You got all the females. Like, you still go to the trap. You still know how to rap, and that shit rhymes. You're a straight out gangster. You got more worse. You look like the fucking devil when you smile. I fuck with you. I'm like, what? Shit, I don't know what the fuck I am. But, like, you famous? Shit, I'm low-key famous. What's not new? You're an entertainer. You're a gangster rapper. I'm an entertainer. I do dumb shit. I know how to rap just about mostly guns and drugs, really. And bitches. But, definitely bitches. And niggas being fake and what's the lick? Trap, shit like that. I grew up around that shit. Like, I know you got a Ferrari. Like, come on, bro. You got money. You be showing that shit. I'll be on your second page and your first page. I shout you out every time you see it. I like, if you and me, like, I was fucking with you even before you and me had this. Before we had the views. You have viewers. I be having viewers. You blew. I blew at my own pace, lost my page, made a comeback. This is everything you wanted, bro. Why it look like you still bored? Like, come on, nigga. It look like you still bored with this shit. This is what you wanted, Mario. Did I not tell you that one of us was gonna break through? But I knew it was gonna be you from the start. I can't hate. You know I'll never hate. If any of my homies blow up, hey, you know what? I'm still fucking with you. I move at my own pace. I fuck with bitches. I do dumb shit. All that. You know this. So, Mario, what else can you want? What, you want to fuck with 50 Cent? You're up there. Just pull a couple of strings, nigga. You fuck with ATO Jacob. He fucks with Future. You know that, right? You know 2 Chainz? ATO Jacob, he was fucking with me at the time. And then now he's fucking with you. I'm still friends with the nigga. I just don't talk to him like that. Even Tim the Don. You already know him. They was fucking with me at the time. Then I started fucking with you at the time. Next thing I know, you blew up, and I was like, oh shit, my boy up there. I've been a well-known name. It just, I be fucking up a lot, and then I have to make comebacks, and I do. You know I'm a fuck up, Mario. I'm a fuck up, nigga. I'm a dumb motherfucker. But I always got your back, though. Like, I fuck with women that got kids, nigga. Like, I'm like one of those hood niggas that's funny, but I got your back, and like, I'll take the heat for you, but I swear to God, nigga, you better be there for me when I get out for taking the fucking downfall for your ass. You got everything you wanted, my boy. You getting more bigger. Like, Mario, I don't fucking know how old you are. I'm being straight up fucking honest with you. I'm 22 and I don't look like I'm 22 half the time. Nigga, you really look like Wes Khalifa, to be honest. Nigga, your ass look like fucking Wes Khalifa, though. Now I see the resemblance. You look like Wes Khalifa, bro. You can fuck with him. You can get verified. Mario, you gotta really start thinking, bro. Like, you're up there, man. I'm sure you got plenty of bitches in your DM. What more can you want, man? You know I got your back all the way through. Like, I proved myself already. Hey, wait. Oh. I want to tell you something real quick. Now, I noticed you never add females on here to twerk and shit. Do you want one of them on? Do you want a female to come twerk on here? If you don't answer, that's a no. I got a couple of females and they're active right now, bro. Do you want them to come twerk? If you don't answer, that's a no. All right, that's a no. Boom. So Mario, man, like, from a good perspective, your ass really look like Wes Khalifa. You're like his fucking younger brother. The brother that people never found out about. Next thing you know, the nigga comes out of nowhere with raps. A silent fucking rapper. Nigga. Oh, man, you really look like Wes Khalifa's fucking brother, though. Like, really, though. You know what I'm going to do after this? I'm going to get a picture of Wes Khalifa and you, and I'm going to post that shit on my page, tag you in it, in him, and I'm going to see, like, I want that shit to get on World Star. Or this Team Shade Room. I made it on that motherfucker myself. I want to see, can you get on that bitch? You and him. He got his shirt off, you. I want to see where that shit get posted, though. And then you go viral again. Now, that's going to be some shit to see. Shit, I stay in the fucking ghetto. I ain't going to lie. But just tell me this, my boy. What more do you want? You got the money, the cars, the hoes, the clothes. And that's a fucking song. You're going to continue to get bigger, Mario. You and me both know this. Like, I like, when I look at your page, I be thinking, he's going to get bigger. None of these motherfuckers dare to fuck with you because it look like you're going to put a bullet in somebody's head. That's a fact. And even females be scared of you. Well, they all want to fuck you and shit, but you already know how these, you and me know how these females get down. You and me know how these niggas get down. You and me know the game in and out. One way in, one way out. Choose one. And that's like asking for death, like with a fucking gun. Choose one. One way in, one way out. Choose one. You got everything you wanted, my boy. Shit, I'm good. I'm low-key famous already. I put that work in, you put that work in. We both, you just more bigger than me. But I don't give a fuck. You still my boy. Shit, I'm low-key famous. Shit, I be getting females, so like I'm good, you know. I'm good where I'm at. I'm good where I'm at. I gotta post a picture of you on my page after this too. Yeah, you and Wiz Khalifa. Yeah. I hope Wiz Khalifa sees it too. And he posts it, and then you go viral off of his page. Celebrities be taking like funny ass videos or pictures off of people's pages, and they post them in their story or on their page. I know you will end up though. You really do look like Wiz Khalifa fucking brother, or you look like him when he was younger coming up though. Well, before he met Snoop Dogg and shit, then he got more bigger. But like for real though, Mario, like what's your next move, my boy? I be calling you over Instagram, but you don't be answering. I don't like to, bug you and shit like that. But like, you like, what's your next move? I know you move in silence, this and that. Are you gonna fuck with Snoop Dogg? Like, you fucking with NBA YoungBoy's mom. I can't figure out what the hell you and her got going on. So like, what's your next move? Hmm? Why you look like that? I don't care what you do, man. You still my boy for life, dog. Ah, man. You and me came a long way though. Like, you blew up and you didn't even get on World Star. I blew up, but I got posted on the Teen Shade Room and they not even World Star. People I just got more well known when I got posted. That video's still going viral though. It's old, but it's still going viral. I think I'm gonna be 23 next year, and I look like a fucking kid for my age. I ain't gonna lie. So how do it feel? Is this shit boring to you now? Is it boring to you? I noticed you don't even go live like that. You be bored to the point you just go live with people. That's how I know your ass is bored with this shit. You just bored with it. This is what you wanted, Mario. You can't get bored with this, bro. You the shit. You gotta keep going, bro. You gotta keep going. I'm sorry. Like, it's just like how people say you learn more knowledge, but guess what? You can never stop learning knowledge. But this is not knowledge. This is gangster shit. You becoming more as a fucking gangster, nigga. More respect. More money, more problems. More money, more hoes. More hoes, more hating ass niggas. More hating ass niggas, more fucking problems come with it though. Even I know this, and I don't give a fuck. You gotta watch your friends too, Mario. What about your homeboys? They still fucking with you hard? Because I'm gonna tell you something. Loyalty is a strong word, but for me, like, you can just tell that I'm gonna stay down with you regardless. I don't give a fuck how big you get. Like, I'm like your after shadow, but I'm your homeboy. Whatever the fuck you got going on, nigga, like, I'm just gonna be like, throw a couple of bitches my way, couple of drinks, get me a room, nigga, and like, nigga, I'm good. Just like no, I'm just being honest with you, man. I'm just being honest with you. Hey, after COVID is over and you have one of your concerts, let me into the VIP section for real though. Nah, nigga, I'm serious though. Let me into the VIP section. I don't have a gun on me, trust. I have no license though, and they will not be registered. Just know that. But just in case some shit happens. Nigga, they will not register. Nigga, they ain't gonna track it. It will not be registered. I'm sorry, I gotta be honest. I've been around the ghetto too long not to learn. Never fucking registered gun, and then they can track it back to the place you bought it from, nigga. Like, can't leave your like, literally. So I will have one on me. And fucking a fucking 13-year-old can buy one from a drug dealer in LA. It's jack fucking easy. Literally, it's that easy to get a gun though. But hey, you gonna start having your concerts and shit, and you gonna get more bigger. And I'm gonna show up. So like, if you start having like private flights and all that shit, nigga, you like type me in and shit. Oh shit, hold on. Sorry about that. Now for real though, like just those females, free food, drinks, in a hotel room my way, nigga. Shit, that's all I ask. I don't want to be in the spotlight. Just let them know I'm your homeboy and I got your back no matter what. I'll so shit. I don't give a fuck. But I survived death 5 times, nigga. I don't think I'm good. But like, that's all the fuck I need. Glock 30 don't need much. I don't need none of the money. Shit, you might share the money with me, and I don't even gotta ask. I can already tell how you are, Mario. All I want is some bitches, some food, the room, and like, shit. Let me use your fucking card. If you let me. Like, not one of the tight ones, but a one like you probably don't use like that no more. I see you owning probably like 5, 7, or 8 fucking cars the bigger you get. Just like YG and these other motherfucking rappers, or Baby and all these other motherfuckers. Like, you're gonna get more bigger, and all these motherfuckers still gonna be here. Me, I might become a fucking comedian and just start doing dumb shit. And, I'll get well known for that and rapping, be in a couple of rap videos with you and shit. But I ain't gonna be popping up like that. But you already know what kind of guy I am. I'm just a cool, chill ass person. That's it. Yeah. But I will tell you, I do got your back. It like, if you do, like, Mario, I don't know if you're gonna fuck like all these females. I don't know if you're ever gonna like, have true love again. I don't know. That's in your mind and your heart. But it's one thing about me. I respect the bro code, bro. And if a female of yours try to get with me, my nigga, I'm gonna tell you straight up, my nigga. I'm not no snitch, but I'm gonna tell you if your females try some shit. I just gotta let you know and be honest. Oh, there you go. But yeah, bro, I already know you're gonna have a private jet. I see you having all of that. Private jet, this and that. What the fuck? Dude, what the okay, I'm like on this. That's starting to creep me out. But I'm used to it.